Hey guys, Migs here, and in today's video we are doing something a little bit different than what I've ever done. Today we're going to be doing a couple runs here in the old S10. I got called out for 2 races against 2 trucks, a Sonoma and another S10 I believe. I've never actually seen these trucks in real life, so they could be freaking turboed, I have no idea, but we're just gonna go out there, have some fun. If you guys don't know already, I have a 2003 Chevy S10 Extreme. Now this isn't a race truck at all. We're just gonna have some fun. It does got the big 4.3 in it, so it does have some pretty decent pickup for what it is. It's pretty much completely stock, besides has a Flowmaster exhaust. And the truck is pretty light and makes almost like 300 foot-pounds of torque, so it does get up and go pretty good. I also have like a couple weight reductions, I guess you could say. Lightweight wheels, 255s in the back, because this thing, believe it or not, actually used to spin a ton with the 235s on it. Now it hooks up great, so we'll just see how this goes. But I'm gonna go ahead and get on the road right now, and we'll see what we can get into. All right, we're pulling up right now. Oh yeah, I see the S10. There they are. Check this thing out. Look at that side exit. All right guys, so we just pulled up. This is the S10, one of the S10s, I guess you could say, that we're gonna be racing. Right here is the 4-door Sonoma. This is Will and Nick. Nick has the Sonoma and Will has this slammed S10. This has the 2.2 in it with the Edelbrock intake. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. Wait, what the heck? This is the weirdest intake I've ever seen. It loops around like that. And what is this, the 4-speed? 5-speed? Got the whole race steering wheel and everything. She's probably pretty light too. This baby got anything done to her? Nah. Yeah, pretty much like mine. Stock 4.3. Yeah, it's a hidden turbo in there. Oh, is that an aftermarket alternator? I don't know. That actually sounds pretty good. Dang. All right, so we're heading out to the spot right now. Shouldn't be anything crazy, but should be lots of fun. So let's get into it. Yeah, we can do 35. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. I hate beating on my truck. I do it like once in a while, get the juices flowing. You guys know me.
Wrong light?
Okay. Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, I'm not even gonna go. Oh, that guy wants some. Caught me sleeping at the light. Jesus. Boom.
Oh.
I'm letting out some heat. Woo! Checking over everything. On the hit. 1, 2, 3. Down the road, I love to do a build on this thing. You can easily make 500 horsepower to the wheels with these engines, just with a cam and a turbo, and these engines can handle like usually about 350 horsepower on the stock internals until it starts to get a little bit sketchy. These engines are like bulletproof engines. I know for those of you that do have 4.3 liters, every time I post a video with the S10, all you guys always say, you know, how good the 4.3 is and everything like that. But like I say earlier, I hate beating on this thing, I really do. I do it every once in a while, just to have some fun. But I think that's all we're gonna do for now, because I don't want to damage the truck or anything like that. It's got a 4L60 transmission, so they're notorious for going bad. So I think we're just gonna head back now. I don't know if they're gonna run, we'll just have to see. But if not, heck, got in 2 races. Alrighty guys, so I'm heading back right now. We called it a day for there. Even though we only got 2 runs in, it was still really, really fun. And it really makes me want to mod this thing, do like a cam or something to it. Maybe build the transmission. But if you guys like this kind of, you know, style video, you know, having some street shenanigans, then definitely let me know down in the comments. And if you guys would like to see maybe like a little side build on this truck, also definitely let me know that as well. Alrighty guys, so before I go ahead and end off this video, I want to go ahead and basically tell you guys what my plans are for a next build for the channel, something we have never done, and something you can probably tell from the thumbnail. But I want to try and incorporate a project car into this channel. We've never done one ever, so definitely add some diversity to the channel and everything like that. And cars are more my realm. It's what I go to school for. It's what I know best. I've always gone towards more go-karts and dirt bikes, you know, more backyard stuff in like the early parts of my channel because I was too young to even drive a car. I want to show you guys 5 options that I have in my head that I think would be an awesome build, and I want to know your guys' input on what you guys think of these cars. Now I put them all in order from basically my most like desired car to do all the way to like the least but still would like to do it. And of course you guys could also comment down some cars if you guys don't like any of them that I show right now, because there are obviously a lot of cars out there. And also, these cars I'm showing you are in pristine condition. The ones I'm going to try and find are like barn finds, I completely abandoned, haven't ran in like 20 years or whatever. Basically the cheapest one I can find. Alright, so first off, I want to show you this 1966 Pontiac GTO, one of my dream cars, so this would definitely be a sick build I think. Next up is a 1968 or any 60s Mustang. Definitely think that would be a cool one. And all of these are going to have V8s, and I definitely want a stick shift. Next up is a 70s Corvette Stingray. Next up we got a Z28 Camaro. This one might be the hardest one to find with the split bumper, but I'm definitely going to be expanding my options and everything like that. And I'm going to be searching pretty far for the best deals. I'm sure there's one sitting in a barn somewhere. And then next up we have a good old Fox body. I'm not going to be buying the most expensive one, that's for sure, but can never go wrong with the Fox. So definitely comment down below if you guys like any of these cars, any in particular, or if you guys have any other cars in mind, definitely let me know. I know I said let me know if you guys would like to see a car build, but after thinking about it, I definitely really want to do one. I'm sure you guys would also love a car build, because it'll just add some diversity, and we could also do some side dirt bike stuff and motorsport stuff alongside with that. So with that being said, I'm going to be ending it off here. Stay tuned for next video. I'm going to be starting filming it in probably as soon as I put down this camera, so it is going to be insane. I'm going to work really hard at it and try and make it as cool as possible. But anyway guys, follow my social medias. They'll be on the outro of this video. Instagram, Snapchat, I use the most. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below what cars you guys would like to see. Subscribe and tell your friends about the channel.